Welcome to Auto Info channel. Today we are discussing about 2025 Rivian R1T showroom walk around. The 2025 Rivian R1T stands as a masterpiece of electric innovation, bathed in the glow of a meticulously designed showroom. Every curve and contour of this electric truck exudes confidence and capability, a testament to engineering precision and modern aesthetics. The luxurious setting enhances its appeal, with ambient lighting reflecting off the R1T's metallic finish, accentuating its aerodynamic silhouette. The Rivian name glows prominently on the wall, a beacon of pioneering electric performance. The front fascia, with its signature stadium-shaped headlights, creates a bold statement, seamlessly blending futurism with functionality. The sleek hood flows effortlessly into a reinforced windshield, offering both protection and an expansive view of the road ahead. The R1T's sculpted body lines and robust fender flares emphasize its all-terrain readiness, while the aerodynamic design optimizes efficiency without compromising strength. As you approach, the flush door handles pop out with a subtle, sophisticated motion, inviting you into an interior crafted with sustainability and luxury in mind. Inside, the cabin is a sanctuary of advanced technology and refined materials. The seats, upholstered in premium vegan leather, offer supreme comfort, ergonomically designed to support long journeys with ease. Sustainable wood accents line the dashboard, blending warmth with modernity. A panoramic glass roof floods the interior with natural light, creating an open, airy atmosphere that enhances the sense of spaciousness. The infotainment system, housed within a massive touchscreen display, provides seamless access to navigation, entertainment, and vehicle diagnostics. Intuitive haptic feedback ensures effortless control, while integrated AI learns driver preferences for a personalized experience. The premium sound system envelops passengers in crisp, immersive audio, turning every drive into an experience. Beneath the sleek center console, cleverly designed storage compartments maximize utility without compromising aesthetics. The minimalist approach to physical buttons maintains a clean, modern aesthetic while voice commands and gesture controls keep the driver's focus on the road. Underneath its striking exterior, the Rivian R1T boasts a quad-motor system that delivers an astounding level of power and precision. Each wheel operates independently, allowing for seamless torque vectoring and unparalleled traction. With a blistering 0 to 60 mph time of just 3 seconds, the R1T redefines what's possible for an electric truck. Yet, its performance isn't solely about speed. The adaptive air suspension adjusts in real time, effortlessly transitioning between highway cruising and rugged off-road terrain. Whether navigating city streets or tackling remote trails, the R1T's intelligent all-wheel drive system ensures a confident, composed ride. With an impressive towing capacity, this truck blends utility with refinement, making it the ideal companion for both adventure seekers and professionals alike. Charging the R1T is as seamless as its performance. With ultra-fast DC charging capabilities, the battery replenishes swiftly, allowing for uninterrupted journeys. The expansive range alleviates range anxiety, making long-distance travel not just feasible but enjoyable. Home charging solutions integrate effortlessly into daily routines, ensuring the R1T is always ready for the next adventure. The battery management system optimizes efficiency, preserving longevity while delivering peak performance. Smart regenerative braking further enhances efficiency, converting kinetic energy back into usable power, extending the range with every deceleration. The truck bed redefines versatility, featuring an innovative gear tunnel for additional storage. A power-to-no cover secures cargo effortlessly, while built-in charging ports accommodate tools and accessories on the go. The R1T's modular rail system allows for customizable configurations, adapting to a variety of needs. The integrated air compressor provides added convenience, whether inflating tires or powering equipment in remote locations. Thoughtful engineering ensures that every inch of the R1T is designed with practicality and innovation in mind. Safety is paramount in the 2025 Rivian R1T, with a comprehensive suite of advanced driver assistance systems. Adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assistance, and automated emergency braking work in unison to enhance safety and convenience. The 360-degree camera system provides a bird's-eye view, eliminating blind spots and simplifying maneuvering in tight spaces. Lidar and radar sensors continuously monitor the surroundings, anticipating potential hazards before they arise. In the event of an emergency, the reinforced chassis and strategically placed crumple zones provide exceptional crash protection. The advanced driver monitoring system ensures attentiveness, adding an extra layer of security to every drive. Connectivity is at the heart of the R1T experience. The vehicle seamlessly integrates with smartphones and smart home ecosystems, allowing for remote monitoring and control. Over-the-air software updates ensure that the R1T evolves with time, receiving the latest features and improvements without the need for a dealership visit. Cloud-based navigation adapts to real-time traffic conditions, optimizing routes for efficiency and convenience. The onboard AI assistant responds to natural language commands, streamlining interactions and making the driving experience more intuitive than ever. Beyond its technological prowess, the R1T embodies Rivian's commitment to sustainability. Every component is designed with environmental responsibility in mind, from the eco-friendly interior materials to the energy-efficient battery technology. The manufacturing process prioritizes renewable energy sources, reducing the carbon footprint of production. By driving an R1T, owners contribute to a cleaner future without compromising on performance or luxury. The luxurious showroom further elevates the R1T's presence, with its high ceilings, polished marble floors, and ambient lighting setting the perfect stage for this electric marvel. The illuminated Rivian branding on the wall serves as a reminder of the company's relentless pursuit of excellence. The sophisticated atmosphere complements the vehicle's aesthetic, creating an immersive experience that showcases the R1T as both a work of art and a technological triumph. From the moment one steps into the showroom, the meticulous attention to detail is evident, reflecting the same ethos that drives Rivian's innovation. Every element of the R1T has been carefully crafted to deliver an unparalleled driving experience. Whether navigating urban landscapes, embarking on cross-country road trips, or venturing off the beaten path, this electric truck rises to the occasion. It seamlessly merges power, intelligence, and sustainability, setting a new benchmark for the future of electric mobility. The 2025 Rivian R1T is more than just a vehicle, it's a statement, a bold declaration that the future of transportation is here, and it's electrifying. Please like and subscribe my channel so you never miss any updates.